Angbojora jara moito ongo je জীবনের যোগ আন্দোলন মাখলাইখা অনেক কিছু আমরা আন্দোলন করে আসছি আন্দোলনগুলি এখানে যারা আছেন যারা বয়স্ক আছেন বিভিন্ন কমিউনিটি থেকে বিভিন্ন জায়গা থেকে যারা আসছেন আপনারা জানেন আমরা জীবনে অনেক আন্দোলন করি এবং আমরা ফলও পাই আন্দোলন করি সত্যতার মাধ্যমে দুঃখ কষ্ট হয়েই থাকে কারাগারে আমাদেরকে বন্ধ করে আমাদের উপরে লাঠি চার্জ হয় ভালো ভালো লাঠি আমাদের উপরে আমাদের পিঠে আসে আমাদের পিঠ দাগ হয়ে জায়গা অনেক লাঠি ঝাড়ুর মতন হয়ে যায় এরকম আমরা জীবনে আমরা করে আসছি একটা কারণে আমাদের ত্রিপুরাতে আমাদের অস্তিত্ব প্রয়োজন ত্রিপুরা অস্তিত্ব কামাই থাঙ্কামু আমাদের অস্তিত্ব থাকতো না যদি আমরা ওই 65-66 সন হইতে যদি আমরা আন্দোলন না করি কাজে আজকে তোমাদের জন্য প্রায় হাফ এ সেঞ্চুরি 100 অর্ধেক 50 বছরের বেশি আমরা আন্দোলন করে আসছি আমার কয়েকটা অ্যাডভাইস খালি এখন যারা ত্রিপুরা মোঠায় আছে আমাদের অনেক কিছু সুযোগ আছে কিন্তু আমরা যদি আমাদের এই সুযোগটা আমরা অন্যভাবে সুযোগটা নিয়ে যাই আপনি এখানে যারা আছে সবারই এটা ক্ষতি হবে আমার বয়সের আমার সহ বয়সের লোক যারা পুরুষ মহিলা আপনাদের কাছে আমার প্রশ্ন আপনারাও তো আমাদের সঙ্গে দীর্ঘদিন আন্দোলন করেন এবং বিভিন্ন আমাদের মতবিরোধ হয়েই থাকে কিন্তু ওইগুলি আমাদের একটা পাওয়ার কি আমাদের ক্ষমতা যে আমরা সংশোধন হয়ে আবার একসঙ্গে কাজ করি আমাদের মধ্যে যদি সংশোধন করার আপনার হিম্মত না থাকে আপনার জাতির জন্য আপনি আন্দোলন করার আপনার হিম্মত নাই আমরা যদি একসঙ্গে আন্দোলন করতে চাই you must have power to control your anger unless you can control your anger your sentiment you can never share for the deliverance of your people you must be very careful today we have maximum we are educated today because I remember when I have revolutionized our education revolution from the year 1974. In the year 1974, I have opened English medium school right from unit number 1, Zion Hill, Rangamura. Number 2, Darchoy. Today it is 12 class. Number 3, Khumulwng. Number 4, Morpara. These are the institutions I have opened from the grassroots level. At that point of time, it was only thatch roof, bamboo splitted wall, and bamboos are chair, bamboos are bench. So, but that was the spirit God had given us in our heart to go further and revolutionize the Kokborok in Roman script along with the English medium. We did it. We did with the whole heart. From that background, your father, your mother became English-speaking scholar. And you are speaking English today, competing the international standard, national standard. So what wrong we have done? What wrong? Tamachang bhul khai khaba. Cheni bhul krai. Tabok jodi chayang khalai. The next accusation will be on you because of your mistake. You are underestimating the achievement. So the fault will be on you only. What you have done for your next generation, We have done English medium schools, linking with Shillong, linking with Oxford University course, Delhi. I link it. I got books from there. I got books from Chapala stall, Shillong, Chapala bookstall. We purchase books from there. We distribute, carrying on our head, on our shoulder. It was a revolution, switching over to English medium from Bengali medium. At that point of time, almost 50 government schools defunct. All the students join our English medium school because they like it. And we had been able to successfully convince the parents, the guardian. We are doing not for me, we are doing for our future. Today, those who have gone to assembly in ADC, you are honored today. And you have no problem to speak in English, in Kokborok. So this is also another achievement in education. Thereby, many have taken IS rank, IPS rank, and one Pu Darlong is there, I forgot his name, from Saikar. Tumar Mingha, what is his name? I forgot. He is likely retiring from foreign service cadre. He represented India in many foreign nations to become first secretary and become ambassador of the Indian Union. So we are led by our desire that we want to give our next generation a beautiful future and talented future that you should learn. Why you break your future? Tini narao jodi kuno ekta naraoni temper. If you fail to control your temper, you are a failure leader. Nini temper onong control khaina nini pan tong nai. Abo pan kering klai, nini zatino, nini hano, nini party no banung tlang mayong nai. Kaisa chajak nai, kaisa chajak yong nai. Apur nung joli boy, charkar maklai nai. Because you broke your own house. And you failed to control, to master your temper. Abachong tini sinay nango. Boni boy tini, ono kisu kok sarani muchung yang kapama tongo onek tini speaker rok onek kisu saka abono kaisa ani bakhau payo. Whether we take a pledge today that let me have the power to control my temper, my anger. Ani gingno amar ক্রোধ আমার মনে যে হিংসা নিন্দা আছে এটা কি আমি কন্ট্রোল করতে পারবো? এটা যদি কন্ট্রোল আমি করতে না পারি আমার নেতৃত্ব দূরদর্শী হবে না। যেহেতু you become a family broken house. Ninno khung baisa kung nai. A man who has no control over in-house anger and temper, he is a member of a broken house. Nini nok baijak ni besajak besaung nai nung. Okay, tini Maharaj paika, bini buma buparok bay ang samung tangay payo, ang tini je dynasty, Maniko dynasty, apana ang hamzago. Tini ang kuno muchungya, arobo ang nung ongya, arobo nung ongya hinjagi tongkap lang bo. Ani mantai ang muchung mani kruy ngi thangka ang maya lihiya, kintu kruy ongjagi tonghang. Hai puno, I want to learn to control myself because ahead of me there may be some better future. Tini onek borok payo ani ono nogo. Jung hayong ka sub-zonal, zonal, tamo, kabang ma tini institution ba institution ni onek jaga tongo je jaga chung joto borok no accommodate khai maya kintu ang advice khai kha party ni soldiers ning ongong lai party ni samong tang di nung brung phuno chalong phuno tini very easily onek chala baroi tini without much labor chini Maharaj Pradur Bikram Zini Wansung Mumbai bini leadership by kuno jibono kuno ang ML ong nai MDC ong nai tamo ong nai ongui tongble tabo abo ki bo si ba sia tai u Tripura motha party bo tini bisinoi bini age bisinoi kise bangkha a bisingo nung tamo asa khlai ba asani baire tabo Bidhan Sabha bo member ongkha ADC bo tini ruling ongkha kisa dorjorom di tanarao dorjorom di bakha log di you will feel very relief nini bakha ko lok lai khai you will feel relief I am feeling today I sit no chair today ani kuno chair karai kuno jaga bote ani ang karai but I enjoy today I have confidence on my next generation. Naroni saka ani confidence longo that you are united. Shall I repeat again? You are united. Am I right? Angkubui de koksa. We are united, and this united should be so strong. Nobody shall be able to separate or break it. Kuno borok chini je united tong mani chung chini bakhar agoi tong mani chu no ke bai rimaya onek borok yang sanai chini Tripura mothani party ni sabainani chini Maharaj ni yakno durbol khainani সংগঠন ni institutionalized no nosto khlainani phai tong mele chung nuk tongo tai singo chini opposition leader Onimes ji bosaka abo chung directly indirectly abona nung mukabelong khlai you must resist your opponent smilingly bono bohai toine ekbare chung hai dog na oi emotionally thangai bacha khlai ba bulai nai tok lai nai nung bo hai no invite khlai ong ke ba bono bo why you should invite your opposition for physical confrontation? What is the use? What you are going to achieve? Chung andolon khai puro, chung by chung kuna jaga walaya. Ani senior tongnai rok Bir Chandra Dev Verma was senior most advocate in those years of up 1960, 65, 66, 67 rogo senior advocate. Abo Agortala tongo binino go chung meeting klayo fifth schedule ponchom toposili regional committee abo se chung dabi klayo sia ba chung songbidan sia chung bo onke ukil no sungkha what does it mean what is the meaning of regional or autonomous. We had no idea. They open constitution. In Constitution of India, Tripura name is not written. Apura Tripura bumung songbidano krai. Am I clear? Aniko buchi blena. Jetu Maharaj Bir Bikram, bo sovereign country. Tripura Raja Niha. Tabok chini Pradut Manikoni bufa ni apura bo crown ras mukut bai oro raja biniha Japan ongthung British ongthung juddho chole phuno chini Tripura no barao akraman khai kha ta mohingane Musulman সম্রাট আক্রমণ খাই Feni to yo, u kaman chumani himmani agortala. Abo kamanno chini Tripura, Soinik ro, chini Rajani Sipai ro, Mughal Somrajono, Mechenoi, Barani kamanno tupmani no, kaman chumani. How many of you know the history? How many of you know the background? If you do not know, you must know today and learn more and more about our I'm not going to be very emotional. I spend my emotional before going to underground. I'm very emotional. I want to do things and I succeeded through humbleness. If you do not become humble, your demand will not come near to you. When you become humble, the very holy things that you are demanding today, Chini Tripura, Bharat Borsoni, Songvidani Baire Bapuro. Jokon Marjarongka, Chini Maharani Kanchan Prabha Devi, Chini Maharaj Pradut Jini, Bupani Buma, India by Marjarongka. Marjarongpaino, 49, Tripura became an integral part of India. Abuni sekang Tripura ni bumung Bharat Songvidano kri boni bagino 6th schedule provision Assam ni tongo abo Tripura kri. Ula jokon Assam bongka jung dabi khlaika ang onek chokkori kha North Eastern riboi ang joton thangai romoi chini Tripura no bo include khai tini jung 6th schedule abo ADC jung manotini. Abo no naraw respect ria. Naraw siti to sia. Chiri khok mano. Emotional mano. Kintu you do not respect the real things. Koboi manoi bahai phaika. Obo naraw siti to sia. This is an offense. Nung chini achievement mangkha. Obo nung jodi recognize khlai. You will have no future. It is out of experience. I came across all these barriers. I faced no problem. Many people wanted to kill me. They are no more today. Therefore, we have to love each other. Chini opposition leader, kaisa tai singo, holong bai, ha kaham ni kok sao. It is a very much from Bible. Sower went to sow paddy seed. Some fell on the roadside, some fell on the rocks, some fell on the roadside, some fell on the good ground. Tabok chini bisingo, holong sakani, mai bacheloi kainai rok tongo chung. Abo nung sarpun abo acai mai able holong ba. Bolong abo kalaika bolong abo, payoi bo oro Zabra bang mandi ba zabra se bang ba bini bathai tong maya nung bo ang bo chung emon jaga klainai nang nai je ha kaha mo nung ma klayo chini greater Tripura chini Maharaja je tabok chini borokno thansa klaye. Thansa is above unity. Thansa is Kabaksa is unity. Thansa is oneness. Koroksa ni jotoro. Oneness chini thansa. Boni bagai tini Mia ang close khaika tini chini chairman ong nai Maharaj Pradutji ani ulo koksa nai naraw kaham khlai attention khlai di onek proshno ni uttor bori nai bhai toi chini songbidan tabok phaika abong chini rajya committee ong thong CWC ong thong tabok bo base toi chung committee khalai nai aborok pass ong nai nango bibinno naron opinion tong mano ani advice opinion tong khlai naraw chungna suiri di tai sal noi suk jodi protek district kiba protek block ni jodi chung sane nei khlai tai sal noi chung chini plenary session chung sowai kolok khlai nai nang nai kintu onek borok tonglak बनि बागैनो जेटा सिस्टेम जों अरो साख्लायनाय नारावनि एडभाइस जोंनो सुइनाय स्टेट कमिटि खालायनाय CWC रो खालायै आरो जों आरो जत विवेचना खालायनाय खालायै जों दीर्घदिन पार्टी खालाय फायो बाहाय तै खालायनाय खालाया आ लाइन तै जोंनि मथानो बो जों क्लांनानै एवं बो ऑल इंडिया लेवल फुनो इंटरनेशनल लेवल फुनो त्रिपुरा मथा हिनाय कैसा पार्टी दङो उ पार्टी वो ब्राउनी रूल्स रेगुलेशन ब्राउनी लॉ हाय 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 इलेक्शन कमिशन बो अब थांनाय बहुत जगह चेनि डिफेक्ट दङो अब ब्राउन हाय नाय बनि बागै आं जतनो कोयो नाराव फायखा अनेक कक सानानै जों खोनाखा एवं ताइबो गोबां मा दंखो अबले जों शेयरिं नि सुबिदा ताबक रिमायङै दंखा हायफुनो ताबक जों जतनो आं कोयो नाराव जे बायरे तंनाय रगबो बिसिङाव फायदि हाबलायदि एटेन्टिभ एटेनसन नावै जोंनि महाराजनि कक खोनावै नाराव जिस न तामो सामानि आं तामो सामानि बहुत तामो सामानि जोंनि स्पीकर अक सामानि बबोतै मानै अब नाराव गाहाम खालाय सिवै नारावनि पारा थाङै नारावनि जार डिस्ट्रिक्टो ब्लको साब डिभिजनो जुनालो साब जुनाल जेटा एकटा दग मा रमनायबा आरो नाराव थाङै गाहाम खालाय इंटरप्रिटेशन गाहाम खालाय बुजग्रिनाय नांनाय नाराव फेलं खालाय नारावनि पारा बरक जदि जेनेबा बरक रहमानि जोंनो बुजग्रि मायां खालाय आफोर नाराव सब सब अर फायखा नारावनो आं कल खालायनाय तामोन नाराव गाहाम खालाय खोनावै थांया माहिनाय ब्ले नारावनो आं आनि तामो लस संनाय आनि खति नंनाय ता जे नाराव थाङै नारावनि पारावो गाहाम खालाय बुजग्रि माया बनि बय नाराव गाहाम खालाय एडभाइस जोंनो रिमाया प्लेनारिनि सिस्टेम हायनो जे जों अरो राजनैतिकनि लेक्चार मारिया एवं अरो कुनो एकटा इलेक्शन हायते लेक्चार बो मारिया किन्तु जेनि मथानो भाई जों डिसिप्लिन बिनि कुनो डिफेक्ट फ्री अंनाय नांनाय आबरंग जों मा सालायो वान्स गो अरो देयर इज नो स्कोप of individual kroksa ni horoscope kरै nini scope you must be open enough for your own people own villagers own leaders nung jodi osok bakha lok mayong khlai you are a failure politician you are a failure youth leader you are a failure women leaders abo nung muchung do you like I never like it I don't like to become a failure leader. I like to be a successful leader. I believe my younger generation, you are also convinced that you love the truth. And truth only can set you free. Am I clear to you? Thank you so much. God bless each one of you. God bless each one of you.